Can we guess what's being 3D printed?
Let's talk about that. Good mythical morning.
Okay, 3D printing. It's been around a while now, so much so that it's become ingrained into everyday products.
Old news, for example, I 3D printed a full-size copy of Rhett so that I could practice my new catchphrase for the show.
I wouldn't call that an everyday product.
Well, I use it every day. Oh, snap sandwich.
Is that your catchphrase?
Yep.
So you've been saying that catchphrase to a life-size 3D printed version of me.
Yeah, and you've been liking it.
Oh, how do you know that?
Because you didn't complain.
Why didn't you just try
There's
it on?
a lot of potential
Why
with
didn't
this
you just
3D
try it
model.
on me?
I really got to, I just did.
I hate to break it to you. I don't like it.
Oh, snap sandwich.
You know what? It works a little bit better that way. Okay, we're gonna see if our knowledge of 3D printing will help us guess what projects or objects.
Either.
Every object is a project, but not every project is an object. A 3D printer is
snap
making.
sandwich.
It's time for Mystery Countdown Theater 3D Printing Edition.
All right, fellas. I think you know how this works. You buzz in. First one to buzz in has to guess what the 3D print is, and you get those points.
Well, as this is the most competitive game in Good Mythical Morning history, I always like to have a little bit of a competitive edge. So I brought a lucky object that's 3D printed. My 3D printed and hand painted lion. So I can be working on my catchphrase. It's kind of, what a coincidence that you got one too, because I like to say, hey, I've got a 3D printed lion. I ain't lying. and then I hold it up. I've been working on that, but I just been doing it to other people, not 3D printed people. So, I'm sorry.
It doesn't work as well. I didn't know lions were
Hold on.
lucky to you.
I ain't lying. You like that?
I don't hate it.
Yeah.
You're right. I hate to admit that I don't hate it.
Can you say your catchphrase when I do it and see how they work together?
I have to be honest with you. I've forgotten my catchphrase.
Oh, snap sandwich.
Oh, yeah. I remember
There we
that.
go. Hey, I got a 3D printed lion. I ain't lying.
Oh, I thought I had to-
No, I say mine and then you say yours.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, I got a 3D printed lion. I ain't lying.
Oh, snap sandwich.
I think it works.
So you needed 3 Ds to be lucky. I only needed 1 D in my statue.
Oh. Okay, I get it.
My 1D statue is very lucky. We are ready.
That's Zane?
Zane? Zine?
Is it signed?
Zine.
Is it signed?
Yeah, he's
It is
signed
Zine, yeah. It's Zane, Zane Malik.
Yeah, I knew that. I knew it was Zane,
All right, fellas, get your buzzers
We're
ready.
so young.
Let's do it.
So we 3D printed it ourselves. This is ours.
What in the world could this be?
Yep.
It's brown.
It's got, this looks like a base. Oh,
Rhett,
Cowboy hat.
good job, you got it.
already?
Let's see the rest of the clip.
See,
man.
I was, and there.
Wow. Look at,
Let's see.
first of all, look at the internal structure.
Yeah,
see
because
the internal
you don't want
structure?
it to be solid, because then like this would be
Can I?
really heavy. And oh, look at that. It's wearable.
Oh, and hold on.
I think it might go on your lion.
But think about it. It was printing the form, and then you pop the form out to get this.
All that support structure, yeah.
That's cute, right?
And it fits.
Well,
I ain't lying.
I don't think it fits, dude. Try to put it on your
Okay, all right, well.
on your line there. Okay, all right, that's fine. You got 3 measly points. Nothing to get concerned about.
Yep.
All right. Oh, this one's
Rhett,
Leaning Tower of Pisa.
incorrect.
Oh!
okay. Ice cream in a cone.
That's correct.
Yes! I could
Let's
tell
see
by the
the whole
cone.
clip.
Waffle.
Not a waffle.
Not waffle. Not waffle.
Pay
Not
no
a
attention to the little block in the back of random extruded 3D printed plastic.
Oh, man, look at that thing get rounded.
Oh, I can't
Soft
wait
serve,
to see that
baby.
in person.
Ooh.
Y'all got all kinds of things you're
The
making.
things that can be done,
Lick it.
and does it
Taste. Good.
tasteless? I mean, I assume you washed it. You knew I was gonna lick it.
You assumed wrong.
It's just plastic. You get plastic all the time anyway. Oh,
Yeah.
I mean,
See, there we go.
it's,
And we can do color too, huh?
wow.
I mean, that is a color, but it's brown, which doesn't really sing. I'm glad I won this.
I'm happy with my hat.
Oh, are we winning the ones that?
Yeah, that's the new rule.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Oh, that was a good one, Link. You got a lot of points on that one. Oh, my.
Starbase. Starbase.
Rat?
Engage.
Octopus.
What did you say?
Octopus.
That is correct.
Yes! I saw 8 legs. I saw purple.
Dang, son, you counted 8.
Yeah, I'm a quick counter, man.
Look at this thing. How long does this take to build?
Well, I mean,
You're seeing it in real time.
Yeah, about 17 seconds. No, seriously, like how long? Zach?
They all varied. So like some of these
That
took
one.
a couple hours. I think the longest one was overnight.
Yeah, Chase is on the spot there. I think this one was 9.
Sorry.
Whoa,
I didn't
I'm
even hear. I
sorry.
picked it up
What?
and that's what it did.
What? That's mine. And I ain't lying.
How long did that take, you said?
I'm thinking 9 hours was that one, yeah.
It's got eyes that are.
It's not.
A lot of people were excited to like give these to their kids afterwards. You're just licking all of them.
We are winning these right
I'm
now.
clean.
These are ours.
man. I'm clean. No, no. You know what? The winner gets the one of their choice.
Pick it up and put it down on the thing, and it's really satisfying. Because
It's crazy that there's articulation like that.
did
Who
you
needs a toy store?
did we download this or
I
did
touched-
you?
I licked
did you?
that.
I
I
know.
licked the
I'm not
top.
touching the wet spot. I can still see it's still very wet. Did you? Is this something that's published that people can print, or did we make this?
No, these are all published and
Okay.
free to print, just not free to sell.
Man,
It's so satisfying.
we're so out of touch. Like you give us a 3D print. I mean, this is 7 years ago this would have been a really relevant episode. But now we're just like we've never just seen this.
well,
stuff.
we just got the printer.
I know.
All
And I'm
right.
excited. And I ain't lying.
I'm not gonna ask how much the printer was, but here's the
All right,
next.
let's go.
It's happening.
Brett?
Well, that's the GMM logo, friends.
It's got to
Ding,
be
ding,
more
ding.
than that. That can't just be it, right?
Well, let's see.
I mean, I'd recognize that logo any day.
I recognize it
from
too. but
anywhere.
I thought there'd be more to it after seeing this octopus.
Well, I mean, you can't go hard all the time. You know. Oh,
no
that's
comment.
We'll see how satisfying it is when you put it down on the desk.
That's beautiful. Put it down. Put it down.
That's wow. They're not. They all can't be wowsies.
All right. Okay. Just a little. Can we have just a little conference? Just a
Yeah.
little conference. Do you think that I should keep licking everything?
I was thinking about that. I'm glad you asked. No.
But okay. How about this? How about I say that I'm gonna stop licking everything, and then I do for a while, but then in a subsequent round, when I get something that is just irresistible, I lick it like crazy.
Yes, almost like that right now.
Are you guys ready for the next one?
Yeah, but hold on.
No.
Chase, slow down.
Okay, sorry.
We're in a huddle.
So
This is a new thing we do.
You
No, don't.
probably
Lick.
thought I was gonna lick this,
Don't
but I'm
lick
not gonna
anything.
just lick everything.
Yeah, don't do that.
I'm not gonna just drive one joke into the ground.
Yeah. Because you're not.
Lying.
All right, we're ready.
Can we split it like that?
Oh,
Oh,
my
wow,
God!
good
What the
God.
heck is this?
This, I mean,
I don't
Brett?
know.
dragon.
Yeah, that's
Why are
a
you
dragon.
Hold on. Where
There's a
did
ta-
you get
the-
dragon from?
The tail and the back and the wing. That's starting right there.
Oh my goodness!
This is wonderful and beautiful.
I mean,
I'm impressed that you got that.
what? I'm upset that he got it.
These are so incredible.
Black dragon.
I'm just gonna. You know what I'm gonna do? Not lick it, but I'm going to surround myself. I'm gonna just take a room. It won't be my bedroom because my wife shares that with me. One of my kids' rooms, Locke's room, he's gone. He moved out.
You're just gonna put this crap.
And I'm just going to put a little soft seating area in the middle, and I'm going to surround myself with 3D printed things. And just look at them. And just this is going to be me all day.
Now that dragon is problematic, right? for reasons that we've discussed at length.
Well, yeah, because it's missing a front leg.
Oh, what happened there?
Yeah, what happened there, Zach?
I may have got a little ambitious removing the supports.
You removed the support. See, now my mission is to win so that I can prevent Rhett from surrounding himself with dumb trinkets.
But
No offense.
Now, I know what you were going to say. You were going to say that this is anatomically incorrect. But
Yeah.
it turns out that when I made that statement on Rick Glassman's podcast,
Mm-hmm.
that the wings are just evolved arms, people were like, actually, there's extra limbs on most dragons. And I was like, well, they're not real.
But they're not real then. That's how we know they're not real.
But there is a difference. We would not have accepted Wyvern.
Yes.
And Link, you're gonna really have to
24 to 8.
come back
okay.
from this one.
I got to get on top of this.
Huh, I don't think the middle part means anything. What in the world? Oh,
Rhett?
Stonehenge.
Correct.
I mean, I had to see it completely finished.
I was just assuming
1 point is
that was
1
a
point.
base that then turned into something a lot better than that ancient who gives a crap. I've been
Who
here.
gives a crap?
I've been here.
And
I don't want it 3D printed. I'm just mad, okay?
I thought it was teeth.
I'm sorry for taking it out on you, Stonehenge. I've been to you. It was awesome, okay? I'm just mad because
That's cool, man. That's historical.
I thought you were a base for something else that was going to be 3D printed on top of it.
I mean,
I
look
think
at
you're
like,
really
I
hoping
was
to get
thinking
double digits
castle.
at this point.
look
I
at
was
the
thinking
world that
freaking
I'm
castle.
building over here. I mean, I got the history of the cowboys. I've got the smartest animal in the ocean besides the whale. I have a fictitious creature. I have a logo of a show.
You seem like a dork.
Hey, man, I ain't lying.
Exactly.
Speaking of dorks, check out our new vlog over on the Mythical Society. Listen, you know what we did? We found out that we had this 3D printer. And so we said, can y'all print us some stuff that we actually need for some very specific personal areas?
Needs.
Yeah. And so we had that done, and you can go watch that over on the Mythical Society. Plus, you can get 50% off all standard plans to unlock this vlog with the code 3D Prints. Go over to mythicalsociety.com. I ain't lying.
Okay, before we do the next one,
in
I want
such
you
a
to give
good
all
mood.
those 3D prints that you've accumulated to Blaine. We kind of need them for something.
I just need to get this guy out.
Oh, I got to give them up now?
Yeah, you gotta give them up.
I licked this one.
All right, Zane. You got to come. It's a weird way to hold a microphone.
Why'd you take them?
Okay,
Hey, man,
Link,
you're
get
not
get your
helping
buzzer.
me at all.
Why'd you take them?
Link, you're gonna win by paying attention.
All right. I mean, there's just no information there.
I think there's quite a lot of information.
Okay.
Link,
Now
This is a character, and I'm going to guess that it is.
this is taking a long time.
Gandalf.
wrong.
What?
Oh, what just happened? Oh!
Rhett,
Can't do it.
No, this is like a bun, like a bun that you would get at a dumpling facility.
Okay.
yes, it is
Nope,
a
nope.
dumpling.
No, it's a dumpling. Are we
It's a
sure it's not a
dumpling.
bow?
It is a dumpling, but I would have accepted bao bun.
I don't think you should.
Well, he said dumpling. He said
I think it's a bow. Let's see it. Yep.
the
I don't-
3D print file was dumpling.
Yeah, that's a dumpling.
I mean, I said
I-
you would get it
I'm
at
a-
a dumpling facility.
I'm a little uncomfortable with. It just looks like turds in it.
Yeah. You know what?
I mean, I don't
no,
want
no,
that.
No, you can have it.
Well, you know all about dumplings. You made the whole song in the store about dumplings. Get
Oh.
a dumpling.
Yeah, we
yeah,
forgot.
Yeah, we should.
Oh.
That was another life. Another life party.
I don't want this.
It kind of looks like something that Lion made. Looks like the lion made a
Lion made a
little dookie.
little doo-doo dumpling.
Well, Link, you're getting crushed. But you know what?
I didn't need an update.
Hold on, but listen, you still can win. In fact, if you get 10 and 10 in these last
How
two,
did I think that this was Gandalf?
well, you know what?
I thought these were boots.
It could be Gandalf.
I thought that was the boots of a Gandalf.
If I turned Gandalf into a dumpling, you wouldn't know it wasn't him. Right?
All right.
Huh.
Nothing's happening. Oh.
Come on. Link.
Stonehenge The Return.
That's correct. So as you might have noticed, that was a repeat of round 6, and that's on purpose because it's Palindrome Month. There are 11 palindrome dates in June, including today's date, 6-2-3-2-6. Since the date is the same forwards and backwards, we want to play the game forwards and backwards. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's see the next one. Link.
I thought I understood what was happening.
You can get this. You can get
He's
this.
taking too long.
GMM logo.
Wrong.
Okay. Dragon.
That's correct.
Okay.
Dang, master.
Okay, that was 10 points. Thank you.
Okay, let's see the next one.
Okay.
GMM logo.
That's correct.
Yes, look at that. I love it.
Okay. Oh, this means he's been disqualified.
Different color?
Yeah, we got to get the next clip ready to go.
Okay.
Octopus.
That is correct.
And it's so
But we did give you the disqualified light. So. Rhett.
Ice cream cone.
Correct.
Look at me. Take it. You can have it. I'm glad that I got this because this is what I really wanted. I need
Okay,
to
let's-
disinfect it.
Link.
Gandalf.
Wrong.
Can't remember. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Because you had it over here. Oh, it's the first one.
Cowboy hat.
Cowboy hat.
Cowboy hat.
Yes.
Cowboy hat.
Cowboy hat.
Yeah, I didn't like that anyway. It belongs on the lion. I made it decent though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you did get a little bit of a comeback
Yeah,
there.
I mean, you made it close.
Palindrome.
You
month.
made it close for a second.
Huh? Like race car.
Like race car, madam. So, Rhett, you did win with 56 points. And so you do get your choice of any of these 3D prints that you just saw, or I can also offer you our very special mystery 3D print, which is potentially even better.
Oh.
But this octopus is so great. But I'm a sucker, man. I'm a sucker for the mystery. Mm-hmm. I want to see. I'll take the mystery.
All right, let's bring in the mystery.
Who is that?
Is that Chase?
Is that Chase as a wench? Oh my goodness. Congratulations.
I was hoping that would happen. You know, I'm not gonna see.
I'm so glad I have this.
I really need you to lick that for me to feel satisfied for some reason.
Hey, the setup, the callback. Hey,
My face is so wet.
Job well done. Yeah, I'm glad you won after all that. Wow.
That's beautiful, Chase. You can have it. I licked it
Oh,
for
snap sandwich.
you. I licked it for you.
Thanks for commenting and sharing this video.
You know what time it is.
Hey, I'm Olivia from New Jersey, and yesterday I graduated with a degree in STEM, women in STEM, and now it's time to spin the wheel of mythicality!
I
That's
love
amazing.
that. You know, they can decorate the top of their things, and for you to be in that position is one of honor.
Yes, all the parents looking down upon their heads. Who's that man that believes in women in STEM? Well, it's me, Rhett McLaughlin. And I've got some unsolicited advice for Emilio. Should you get that experimental finger lengthening surgery?
One finger at a time. But yes.
Click the top link to watch us debate your hygiene habits and get mythical more.
Unlock access to our new vlogs at mythicalsociety.com. I mean, I think they made it even shorter now.
This is literally shorter than it was a little bit ago. And then the ones that I'm keeping are that long. Oh my God.